CAF football is back, club football is back, and yes, bafethu, the all-important league. Orlando Pirates are in Lubumbashi, bafethu. Lubumbashi. If you don't remember leyo ndawo leyo, you are still young. RIP Senzo Meiwa. But Orlando Pirates lineup today, I'm happy with it. I expected UCBC to start over UCM for this crunch away game eLubumbashi bafethu. Remember, this game is not being broadcasted. Ngeke sibone lutho ukuthi kuyenzakalana ama-shenanigans kuthi ureferee uzoba esayidini labo bazomthusa ureferee, but it's 2025. It's 2025. It's easy to access these things. Ureferee angeke asenze next. Asithukanga bafethu. Mahopa, you are on form. Do what you did for Bafana Bafana. I'm happy with the midfield, the defense. Let's win this one.